How beautiful is that? Number 005, they serial number their systems. I'm going to sort of pull the camera in a little bit more on this. That is amazing. So let me just show you this. I hope you can see myself in it more than 005. I am number 5. Number 5, the 5th 599 in the world with this exhaust system. I am so amazed that the care and effort FI take to put this system together. I mean, the welding is amazing. Everything is flaming amazing. It's really smooth. But more importantly, they make you feel so special. Serial numbered my exhaust system. They know I've got this exhaust system. I'd like to know how many people in Capristo know who have got their exhaust systems. I bet they don't even know. So this is really cool. And that's the second box. So let me get this out and lay this out and show you what it looks like or what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I've laid it all out. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Wow, can you imagine that? You got the tips. I chose the silver tips. The current tips on here are the HGTE Sports Box. Obviously that's going to come off. So you've got the tips, the back box, these are the valves, that's the valve controller. Oh well, it's the actual controller for the valve. Mid pipe and the all important X pipe. And like it says, all these are numbered. This is 005, makes it serial number 005, the 5th 599 exhaust system in the world. And what do you think of that? Comments down below. Remember, competition, there's goodies to be given away. I am actually going to give away a model, a 1 in 43 model of the 599 car, as well as the FI goodies. So of this particular car, might not be the same color, but the 599, I'm going to give away a 1 in 43 scale model. So what do you think? Exhaust? It's pretty cool if you ask me. I can't wait to get it installed on the 599. Watch out for the next video, which we'll start the install. Thanks again. Remember the competition. The question is, why am I called Mr. India? And the second question is, name the 6 features of the FI Pro system, which is on their website. Put that down in the comments below. Like and subscribe this video, and click the bell icon to get to the next video as well. I'm going to give away a 1 in 43 model of a 599. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate you all out there, especially my audience abroad. Like and subscribe, and thank you for your support. Speak to you soon. Bye. All right, people, just before we close off the video, I've got 2 of these scale limited edition, only 500 in the world, models of the 599. Here are the pictures here. Some are up here. Amazing models. I'm giving those away. Remember the 2 questions. You know, why is my last name, why am I called Mr. India, should I say? It's based on my last name. And you have to see in the video, I've got my last name written somewhere in the video. And what are the 6 features of the controller for the FI exhaust? 2 of these being given away. Put this in like and subscribe. Put the 2 answers in the actual comments. And the actual prize draw will be, where are we? End of March. So I'm going to make the prize draw in 2025. I'm just checking the dates on my calendar here, and just to let you know, it will be on March the 28th. March the 28th, prize draw. 2 people, each one will win 1 of these each, and it will go into a random selector generator, Google, you know, and we'll pick the winner. Like and subscribe, and you know, there will be another prize on the next video as well. Thanks a lot, mate. See you all. Bye.